Ad extensions can help enhance your campaign and ad performance. Let's discuss how. Hi, I'm Lucas. I work on the e-commerce technical team here at Ad People. Ad People work with small to medium-sized businesses and we're based in Altrincham, Manchester. Learn e-commerce with Ad People is for entrepreneurs at the start of their e-commerce journey. We're looking to help you utilise digital tools and understand the e-commerce market. Google Ads is a powerful tool you can use to run your advertising campaigns through. Extensions are a great way to enhance your campaign performance. Today, we're going to be going through 6 types of extensions. Extensions can help you add additional business information to your ads and increase your ad visibility and also enhance your click-through rate. Sitelinks are links to specific pages on your website. These will display under the main body of the text ad and is a great way to highlight category pages or contact pages or even other product pages. For example, when searching for trainers, there might be links under the text ad which gives us the control to dictate where the user is going to land exactly on our website. Once you're logged into your Google Ads account, simply select the campaign you want to apply the extension to. Click on Extensions and then there'll be a big blue button that you can click and Sitelink should be on the drop down. Here you can begin to add your site links. So you can add up to 4 site links per campaign. For each site link you can add a title, a description and a link to the page you want them to land on. So the title should be a brief overview, so for example you could have sale and then the landing page will be all the items that you have on sale. The description could say what the offer is or how long it's going to be on for. Call extensions are a great way for you to advertise and display your business number under the main body of your text ad. So this is great for users, especially those who are out on the go, just to be able to tap and click on your phone number and get in contact with you. So using the example from before with trainers, someone might be wanting to call in to ask if you've got a certain size or a certain brand in stock. Once you're logged into your Google Ads account, select the campaign you want to apply the call extension to. There'll be a big blue button and on the drop down it'll say call extension. Here you'll just be able to paste in your business number and you can select whether you want it to be optimised for mobile or desktop use. Top tip, make sure to add your country code to the phone number. Image extensions display below the main body of your text ad. It's a great way to add a rich visual element to your ad. Something to note is, after you've been running your account for 90 days successfully, you should be eligible to add these to your campaign. To add image extensions, simply log into your Google Ads, select the campaign you want to add these to, and then go to extensions. There'll be a big blue button and on the drop down, you'll see images. Here, you can select up to 20 images to add. It's always best to use high quality images and Google will crop those down to the dimensions that it needs to be to display under the ad. Try and make sure these are specific to the ad text that you're already running. Price extensions display under the main body of your text ad. It's a great way to showcase any services or products you have on offer or even new brands that you have in stock. Pricing is an important factor in the user's decision making when it comes to deciding whether to purchase your product or not. So showcasing this at the forefront is a great way to influence them. To add in your price extensions, simply log into Google Ads and select the campaign that you want to apply these to. Here you can go to extensions and there'll be a big blue button you can click and on the drop down just select price. You can add up to 8 price extensions, so it's important to think about which products you want to push. You just have to add the link to the product page, a little short snappy description about what the product is and the title of what you're advertising. Before we move on to the next extension type, now we're talking about pricing and promotions. Stuart has created a great video on how you can utilise promotions as part of your Google Ads. The link to the video should be here. Or is it here, Liam?
That one.
Here. Now, before we talk about call-out extensions, here's a call-out of our own. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment on the Leap YouTube channel. Call-out extensions are displayed just at the end of your text ad. It's a great way for you to highlight any USPs about your business and shout about them. It can help your ad stand out in all the Google search results. An example of this might be free delivery or 24/7 customer service. To add in your call-out extensions, simply go into Google Ads and select the campaign you want to apply them to. Here, select extensions and there'll be a big blue button you can click with call out on the drop down. Now, you just want to think of some short, snappy phrases that you can utilise. So the final ad extension we're going to be going through is reviews. So there's 2 main types of reviews. One is product ratings. So this is a 5-star rating that will display under your shopping ad. So in order to be eligible for this, you have to have had up to 50 reviews on your products. The other type is seller ratings. So this is a bit more general and holistic about your business. For example, someone leaving a review saying, excellent customer service or delivery was speedy. These display under your text ads and is also star rating out of 5. You have to have got up to 100 of these in order to be eligible. Now, there are some third-party apps or websites that you can use to start setting these up and collecting these reviews, Trustpilot being an example. JudgeMe is also a cheaper alternative to start getting these reviews collected and hopefully set up your reviews to add to your ads. We understand the inherent value that adding these review extension types can give to your business and your campaigns. They can be a little bit trickier and a bit more in-depth to set up, so I'm going to do a specific video on how you can set these up. Please like, subscribe to see the video later down the line. Hopefully now you've got a better understanding of how you can utilise ad extensions to enhance your campaign and ad performance. Now try have a go on your own campaigns. Leave a comment down below if you get stuck, and I'll be seeing you soon.